Hello everyone, I hope you're all keeping well. Today we are going to learn about prefixes again. Last week we did exercises on prefixes and we completed a worksheet. We are going to do some more practice on prefixes now this week. Can anybody remember what a prefix is? A prefix is what goes before the word. So it is a couple letters together that we can add before a word. Can anybody remember the prefixes we learned last week? I want you to write down what ones you can remember and give an example of each of them. So here's an example of 3 of them. D, dis, re. Can you think of any more of them? Try to write them down now. Let's have a look now. Yes, so here's some more. Miss, over, on. And as we look at our PowerPoint, we will focus on looking through these again. On D, so deactivate, diffuse, decode, disconnect, disappoint, discourage, mistreat, misread, misplace, over, overtake, oversleep, overact, redo, reread, return, uncover, unbeatable, unbelievable. Now this is a new one this week. Before we move on, I'm wondering, is there any more prefixes that you can think of? Because there's lots of prefixes out there, not just these 6. Try to think of some now. I'm going to show you another example of some different prefixes. So we have im, we have ex, which can go in front of a word, we have co, which can go in front of a word, and we have anti, which can also go in front of a word. But there's lots more prefixes out there as well, other than these ones. After you have read through all these notes, I then want you to try these examples on the PowerPoint and see if you can put in the different prefixes in these 20. After you've those 20 done, you can look at the answers on the next slide and see how many you got right. After that, I want you to do some more practice on another 20 from 21 to 40. And again, there's a wide range of prefixes that you could use here. Try to make sense of it and you can check your answers afterwards. After you have this done, what I then want you to do is I want you to complete the worksheet. As you can see in the worksheet, there is a list of words down here along the side, and you have to decide if the prefix dis or un would work before it. So let us look at frozen here. As we can see, frozen, disfrozen doesn't sound right, but unfrozen does. So we put that frozen, we bring it down and we write unfrozen into that box. And we do that for the rest of the words here. Best of luck with this, and I can't wait to see all the pictures of your completed work afterwards.